Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to engage with air traffic control in Microsoft Flight Simulator. First, power on your aircraft's battery and avionics to enable radio communication. Then, access the ATC menu by pressing the scroll lock key on your keyboard or by clicking the small control tower icon in the in-game menu bar. This window is fully adjustable, allowing you to position it anywhere on your screen for easy access during your flight. Next, let's understand the different ATC frequencies. You'll encounter various services like clearance, ground, tower, and approach, each with a specific frequency. Microsoft Flight Simulator offers an auto-tune feature, which simplifies this by automatically setting your radio to the correct frequency when you select an option from the ATC menu. To make your first call, simply choose the relevant communication option from the menu. Once you're ready, request taxi clearance from ground control, carefully following their instructions to the runway. When at the hold short line, contact tower for takeoff clearance. After a successful takeoff, you will typically be handed over to departure or center control. Remember to report your current altitude and intentions, such as climbing to a specific flight level or heading towards a waypoint, to maintain proper communication. As you near your destination, request approach clearance from approach control. They will provide vectors and altitude assignments to guide you for a safe descent and landing. Always acknowledge every instruction by repeating it back to the controller, including your call sign. For enhanced realism, consider third-party ATC add-ons or online networks like VATSIM, which offer human controllers and more complex interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.